And these are all the parents that's some of them have had surgery, some of them are doing surgery. This is everybody. He just was discharged today. He got surgery.
Sorry.
This is his dad. Sorry. So who do you want to come? Okay, after the initial come out, yes. So take pictures. No, we will look up to This is the cardiac care. And this is the administrators who are cardiac care. They were so gracious enough to let us use this facility, and they've been a great partner of ours as well. So we'll go up come down. Can I ask you one? Size doesn't take any assistance in the operating room. She came all the way from the UK. So this is Dr.
Thank you.
And she actually works with one of our surgeons in the UK.
Leicester. And there I work with one of the surgeons who belongs to Nigeria.
Well, I actually came to be able to see what the Hospital for Humanity is doing. It is a program that has gone on for years, voluntary commitment to helping us solve a critical problem with the kids. The heart problem. What they are doing is giving free heart surgery to kids. This is a critical thing which will affect several thousands of kids, but they can only operate about 1% of the population. So you could see it's a very critical thing. Well, what I think we can do better is that it is important that people look at what they are doing, appreciate it greatly, and remain, like I'm sincerely grateful to the immeasurable contribution they are doing to humanity and helping us to build a better country. And urge those of us who are serving the country to emulate what they are doing and expand it. Because while about 80 children in Nigeria can be affected, they can only do maybe 300 surgery within a year. So you could see that it is just about 1%, if at all, that they can be treated within the year. So there's need to do more. So we need to collaborate with them and others and see that this is done all over the country. Well, very easily by investing in healthcare. I've always said that healthcare is the foundation of development because it's healthcare, education, and pulling people out of poverty that is the only measure of development. And so government can do more. And that is why I'm saying this. And again, Dr. Shegun Ajayi and team, I thank you. All these people left their own country to come and help us. They would have just stayed back where they are and said, we have nothing to do with it. And they're doing it for free. We have to remain prayerful to Almighty God to bless you always. The same thing is, some of them, I also want to come back like Dr. Ajayi to help. It is for us in government to make it conducive for them to stay and to attract more Ajayis to come back. Because if we provide the enabling environment, they will come. I think we have enough. We don't have enough, but we can do more. And we will make sure that whatever penny that is budgeted is properly spent.